Most people start water business and struggle. Some people are making serious money from it. The difference? They understand how the business really works. Today, I'll show you step by step how to start and make real profit from water factory business, even if you are abroad. Step 1. Location. Location is everything. You need high population area, shops, schools, markets nearby, easy access for distribution. Step 2. Start small. I repeat, start small. Don't start big. Start with one machine, small team, limited production, then grow gradually. This is very important. Remember, great businesses you see today started small. Step 3. Focus on distribution. This is where money is made. Don't just produce water. Find retailers, find supply shops, and work with distributors. The more places your water reaches, the more money you make. Step 4. Branding. People think water is just water. No, that is wrong. Brand matters. You need clean packaging, a good name, and also trust. Customers will choose your product over others once you master branding. Step 5. Cut cost. To make profit, control your expenses. Expenses such as fuel, reduce fuel usage, maintain your machines, and by all means avoid waste. Small savings equals big profit over time. Step 6. Daily sales tracking. If you don't track your business, you will lose money. Be sure to track number of bags produced, number of bags sold, and money received. And this should be every single day. The last but not the least, step 7. Trust, but do well to verify. Even if someone is managing it, make sure to check everything. Collect daily reports, be sure to install cameras, and do random checks. This way, nothing can escape you. Water business can make you serious money, but only if you treat it like a real business. Focus on volume, control your cost, and manage it properly. If you are abroad and looking for smart business ideas back home, follow Christoni Invest for such brilliant ideas. I will show you what works and what can cost you your hard-earned money. Thank you.